How to fix Honor Magic 7 Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on or off Bluetooth. After turning off or on Bluetooth, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates, and then click on reset and reset network settings, and then again click on reset network settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and check software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.